Most people panic when they notice Amazon Prime isn't charging them. They immediately think something is wrong with their account or payment method. But here's the truth no one tells you. In many cases, Amazon Prime not charging you can be completely normal. In this video, I'll explain exactly what it means if Amazon Prime isn't charging your card in 2026, the most common reasons it happens, and what you should do next. By the end, you'll know whether it's a problem that needs fixing or nothing to worry about. Let's get straight to the answer. If Amazon Prime isn't charging you, the first thing to check is your membership renewal date. Many users simply assume their renewal should happen every month, but some memberships are billed annually. For example, if John signed up for an annual Prime plan, he may not see another charge for many months. That's the easiest explanation. But here's the problem. Sometimes the issue is related to payment processing. Amazon may attempt to charge your card but encounter a temporary issue. In those situations, Amazon often gives users time to update payment information before suspending membership benefits. The next thing to check is your payment methods. Open your Amazon account settings and review the card connected to your Prime membership. Make sure the card hasn't expired and that the billing information is accurate. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Some users are actually receiving Prime benefits through a promotional period, bundled service, family sharing arrangement, or another membership structure. In those cases, the person using Prime may not be the person being charged. For example, Alex notices Prime benefits are still active, even though he hasn't seen a recent charge. After checking his account, he discovers he's part of a shared household setup where another account holder manages the subscription. In a minute, I'll show you the biggest mistake people make when investigating missing Prime charges. Another possibility is that your membership has already been canceled, but remains active until the end of the current billing cycle. Amazon often allows members to continue using Prime benefits until their paid period expires. This is where most people fail. They only look at their bank statement and never check the actual Prime membership page. The membership page provides the most accurate information about your billing status, renewal date, payment method, and subscription condition. If you believe there should have been a charge but none appears after reviewing your account details, contacting Amazon support may help clarify the situation. They can explain any account-specific billing details that aren't immediately visible. To recap, Amazon Prime not charging you can mean your renewal date hasn't arrived yet. Your membership is annual. There's a payment issue. You're part of a shared membership arrangement, or your account is still within an active billing period. The key is to verify your membership status directly through your Amazon account before assuming there's a problem. If this video helped you understand what's happening with your Amazon Prime billing, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below with your experience. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.